Hi. Look at this is a very cool one. If you have like if you have
You have
this,
to bring it here. No.
don't bring that so you can.
Yeah.
I don't like homework. I don't like homework. So you can. If you have one of these, don't bring them so you can build with me. The first, we already made these parts, and now we're going to make the rest
8, 9,
until it gets started.
96.
Oops, it looks like I need a show.
पास्ता खाएंगे या फिश खाएंगे? पास्ता में कीमा करने लगी हूँ।
पास्ता खाऊंगा।
Like that.
Can you explain what are you doing?
Look at what we're doing. We need these parts
They can't
first.
see.
Orange.
See, we need these parts first, and it doesn't go like this. If you put it like that, it won't fit. So it goes like this.
होमवर्क से उठ गया।
You
And I
need
need orange.
to look a
I'm
little.
coming in front of the camera.
You need to look a little closer. So.
I already got all of them.
So,
103,
so we can do it.
3, 1, 0.
We can build some stuff with the instructions and some without.
अच्छा बताना।
9, 10.
They can't see it, Ibrahim. Bring it
I
down.
just did.
Look at this is like a gun.
Show them over
फ्राइडे
here.
को चेक करते हैं।
Look at this is like a gun. Like you do that.
Like a what?
समा फिर आ गए हो।
Like it's like a gun, but it's not a gun. You will see what it is in the end.
Oh, we will see in the end. Okay.
Yeah.
Orange. Blah, blah, blah.
And we can use
समा 2 कर लिया बस 4
these
रहते हैं। 4 करने हैं आप।
for this.
Then it will be Tuesday.
No, they can't see it. Bring it here.
फ्राइडे तक का होमवर्क करना है। थर्सडे तक का।
How do I do this?
ये सफेद चीज उतारते नहीं हैं, साफ खाते हैं। This is called fiber. It is very healthy for the.
I thought we need this, but we didn't. I forgot that. We're going to do that tomorrow. I forgot this. I forgot it.
समझ जो नहीं समझ आती पूछ लो।
I don't know all these rest.
है?
So
I don't know all the rest.
the first, I forgot we need.
Look behind you.
I forgot we didn't need that. So the first part is
And
this.
don't separate.
Then, oops, I
One
just
should be-
put it the wrong way.
Can you bring closer? I can't see.
Ah.
ये कर दिया? Good job.
2 and then I don't know how to do it.
I think ये वाला नहीं करना होता क्योंकि आपकी टीचर ये ही करती हैं. Check.
She just checks the front one.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Because it says this homework. It's not written homework over here. But Abu will tell you how to do this. ये वाला करो और फिर ये वाला पेज करो. ठीक है?
I don't know how to do.
You don't know how to do this?
This is how
Which
we
number
do
is
it.
this?
And
You can order
And
numbers
this
from least to
how
greatest.
we
What
open it.
does least
What?
to greatest mean?
I don't know.
Where's the seat?
छोटे
We
से बड़ा.
don't need this so I can.
You have to put it down to show.
We
Remember
don't need this
ascending
so
and
I
descending?
have to unscrew
These are the
it.
stairs.
Okay, you have to do it over here.
So when you are climbing up the stairs, what does it mean? Ascending. When you are climbing down the stairs, then what does it mean?
They can't see it,
Down
Ibrahim,
stairs.
unless you do it.
Descending.
No, this is what we
Descending
need.
Oh,
नीचे
okay.
बड़े से नीचे उतरना. Ascending means छोटे से बड़ा.
Abu, can you help me?
Okay, let me help you.
ठीक है?
Can you
अब
unscrew
बताइए,
it?
what
How
does
about let's
ascending
see what this.
Okay,
Left and left to greatest.
okay. Can you do
Less
that?
to greatest. Yes.
Let me hold it.
And what does descending
Why
means?
did you hold it?
Greatest to left.
No, you are tightening it. You have to do it the
So,
anti-clockwise. Good job.
Greatest to less. Less also means least.
Keep doing it.
Least. Okay? And greatest
Keep
also
doing it.
means?
ग्रेट बड़ा और ग्रेटेस्ट सबसे बड़ा.
हाँ.
लेस
Good
छोटा
job.
और लीस्ट सबसे छोटा.
हाँ.
डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? समझ?
Yes.
You can also order numbers from greatest to least.
Which
So,
one? Which
which
piece did
is
you
the
want?
greatest number over here?
49.
Good job. Which is the least number over here?
24.
Okay.
Now,
this?
इन्होंने कहा
No.
least से
no, it's but if we do it like that, it won't
46
stand so like this.
Oh, so you want to
से
do it like this?
Great. ये अब आपको
Okay, can I get the
reading
screw, the
आती होगी
screws?
तो आप समझोगे
Yes.
कि उन्होंने क्या पूछा है.
I already
There's some big
I
ones.
already know it
Okay.
from a G.
And
जी
Should we?
पढ़ना ना फिर.
Okay.
पढ़े
should we
बगैर
do
नहीं
it?
आना सामने.
Greatest.
Do it?
इसके स्पेलिंग्स भी याद करो.
how about
That's
Abu,
not a set
how
word.
about with the screwdriver?
That जो
Oh, we
homework
can
में
do it
होता है वो
this
साइड
way,
वर्ड
but they
बन
won't be
जाता
able
है.
to see. Bring the screw.
जब
down.
No,
आप
it doesn't.
सामा
You
जब
can't
आप
even make a sight words. Oh, like greatest is not a sight word.
सामा जब तक आपको पढ़ना नहीं आएगा आप
Which
सवाल
way?
कर ही नहीं सकते.
Which way?
Okay.
Like
Clockwise.
I need an eraser.
Like that way? That way?
Yeah.
Okay.
अभी इधर हैप्पी फेस वाला इब्राहिम स्कूल से रेजर.
No, that's anti-clockwise.
अभी
that
इधर
is-
हैप्पी
yeah.
फेस वाला पढ़ा था.
Abu, why are you holding that?
Otherwise, it's gonna keep moving.
बेटा
That's why you have to hold it.
होगा.
Okay.
स्टडी टेबल से लेके.
Abu, it's focusing on Ibrahim's head.
Really?
Yes, see?
Okay, man.
It's just focusing on that part.
That's okay. Can they see this?
No.
I think they can.
No, you're doing it a little up. Let me see.
Camera
Do not move with the sound.
Let me see.
Okay, I will show you.
Friend.
Oh, they can't see.
सामा बेटा
ठीक
आप
है.
रबड़ लेने
They
उठे
can't
थे.
see it.
बैठे रहो मैं रबड़ लेता हूँ.
What is it? 90? 99.
Good job.
20.
Here you go.
100.
I think this is good.
सामा देखो.
But that.
When you put the other one, it's gonna get better. Bring another screw. Can you bring another screw?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
No, what is it? But we can use the wrench. What is
Can we?
called?
Yeah, you're right. We can use the wrench. But I don't think we'll be able to get the wrench in there.
Yes, we can.
We now use the screw.
Eraser.
Which way? This way?
Yeah, this way.
I remember this that way because
What a bitch! Bitch.
Abu, what is empty
Yeah.
clockwise, right or left?
Left.
I don't know how to do
So
that.
lefty loosey.
Let's see.
1987.
Righty tighty.
Righty tighty.
Lefty loosey.
Lefty.
Yeah, I'm on the next page. Abu, it's focusing. Wait, Abu, it's focusing on Ibrahim's your hand.
Okay, thank
So
you.
it's focusing on
That's good.
way
That's good. Can you?
over the ziplock.
Okay, someone please sit over there.
When is it my turn?
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Oh, Ibrahim, don't do.
Focusing that
Yes,
this.
he is. Okay, good job. Sit down. Okay, can you tighten?
90.
It's not
90.
getting better.
It's good. 95.
Good, right?
Let's
I
keep
think
walking.
These screws are not.
Now
We
setting
should have
down.
been using other screws. There you go. Yeah, we should have used these screws.
One
Okay, let me remove this. Okay, this time and
When it descends to
Like, just 90 and then you have to get it to 92 or 90.
harder. Good job.
इसकी homework में help करते हैं.
He's helping with Legos, nobody can help.
Okay, wait 1 second. Let me see.
Then I'm going to bring up. What are we having for dinner? Pasta?
इधर आओ मैम.
They always have vegetable pasta. Oh, sure.
सामने टेबल पे बैठो और वो आपकी help करते हैं.
Abu, Abu.
Just one more thing.
You're coming in front of the camera. Right? Please go over there.
Which way?
Just hold it.
बात सुने.
Hold it.
No talking. We don't need to-
Ibrahim, you have to go. You cannot come in front of the camera.
बात सुने.
It's a YouTube video.
Jay.
इसको homework करा देंगे. और parents को.
How about let's use our finger?
Where's Dada? He is there.
Which way?
There already.
Okay, can you tell them what did they learn in this video? Yeah, just sit over there.
Anti-clockwise and clockwise.
Okay, good
From
job.
the screws. Only from the screws.
Okay, okay. Maybe we'll talk to them in the next video.
Yes.
Okay.